Hi, hello everybody. This is our company. Ito si my newest nephew. Ito rin yung isang nephew sa labas. This is my sister.
Sister-in-law?
Me. My sister. Our sister, I mean. She'll be leaving here in the Philippines, going back to the States now. Shun, say hi.
Ako ba yun?
Hi.
Hello!
Would you mind if I can get you some interview? Because I'll be having some questions for you. I hope you can answer that questions.
That's all right. What's up?
Would you like to say any of these last words as you'll be having your plans to go to States?
I'm sorry, slowly.
Would you like to say a piece of line? I mean message or advice that you can give?
My God.
Huh? What is it?
For everybody.
Dito ka tumingin.
For you? For my nephew muna. For my nephew first. I want him be
Bisa mo? Hindi.
Joke only, no.
No, she was just kidding. Healthy diet.
Life. I want him like that. No? Mataba.
Sige na, move.
Cut na.
Move na.
No. Happy birthday daw. Paliw. And for him, sarap eh.
Ready na?
Di ba? Oh, naka-ready na. Okay na. Okay.
Things may come to change. But if ever, I hope being able to get through everything, problems, situations, I'm sure you can be able to handle it. Alright? So whatever it is the problem, just think and always keep your heads up. Nasa taas ka pa. Okay?
Okay.
Ikaw naman. Would you like to say anything?
Yun naman, for you. My nose is bleeding.
Come on, you can do it. You can make it.
I don't wanna hear any news that
Sige na. Tagalogin mo na lang. Hindi na ako.
Like,
He's having a hard time.
oo. And so, and I don't wanna hear that some people say you're using a drug. Kaya na natin ganyan. Oh, I just kidding.
Would you like to say something about it?
I don't wanna hear that saying to me that you're like that. You're selfish or yeah, like that. And I want you to be successful in life. And don't forget where you came from. Like that.
That's it. That's it. This is a personal interview actually. A special documentation para sa leaving ng sister ko. Wow, she's been thinking that she'll be back here for about a couple of years or 3. Well, I don't know. Still be waiting, hanging around here. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you.